Alright, what's up you guys? I'm recording a how I edit my YouTube videos on my iPad. I pretty much kind of do a lot on my iPad Air. I have the 3rd generation. Simply show you guys how I edit my videos in this app called Video Now. I will tap out so y'all can see what the app icon looks like. And it is the white app in the left hand side 3rd row. It's the only app in that row, so it's just VN Video Now, and this is what the interface looks like. I've already imported my video content from my PS4 to my iPad, so that's what you see here. And so I will be editing a video that will be going out this Friday. Yeah, in this video you guys will see it on Saturday. So I'm gonna get right into it. Oh, so how do I transport this game recording from my PS4? How do I transfer that data to my iPad? I simply use my 3-in-1 adapter that I showed you guys in my mobile gaming setup. So I use it and I simply attach the USB flash drive, attach this part to the lightning port to my iPad, and then I go to files and I hit share, and then I hit save video. So yeah, that's the process. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna move the mic a little bit. I also use my off-brand Apple Pencil. It just kind of makes it easy to navigate around, and just it just makes it easy. So I'm going to split. I like to leave a little bit of the entry on here just to, or I'll talk a little bit. So it's kind of hard to see with this mic in my view, but yeah, we're just gonna bring it down just a little bit more right there. I think that's good. Okay, and I'm just gonna delete that part. So I'm following. So right there, I'm gonna cut. Okay, so it looks like I'm just going around tearing things up. So I'm gonna cut that out till I get to the part where I'm actually building. So it looks like right here. So I might leave a little bit. Here, and I'm gonna split, and I'm gonna delete that. Alright, so I think I'm gonna speed up the beginning part and then leave this part the actual speed of me editing. So I'm gonna, let me see where I want to split first. Okay. Right here, and then I'm gonna speed up this first section, and then I'm gonna leave it regular speed. So we're gonna speed up this first section. See, we don't want that part to be that fast, so we're gonna do a quick drop and then we slow back down. Yeah. Okay. They do have presets that you can do, but I like to do my own custom flow. So right here we're gonna split. We're just gonna speed this up a little bit, but I'm not gonna do my own curve. I'm just gonna go to regular, and I'm gonna go to probably like 1.5. Let me see. Yeah, I think 1.5 is good. And then I'm just gonna add a little subtitle, and I'm gonna say, I'm gonna use this one. Hold on, no. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and type. Okay, let me see. So right here. We might need to flip it the other direction. So this way. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna delete that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's how you do transitions. They have other transitions too. And then you can do like a picture in a picture. You just tap this right here and you select how you want to do it, whether it's a stock image, an image of your own, a video. That's how you do that. You layer it. And then you can also do voiceovers, record sound effects, or bring in your own music. Do a voiceover, and I'm just show you guys how I normally do it. I just go to tap, add music, and then I go to record, and then I think about what I want to say, and I normally re-record this about 3 to 4 or 5 times. So this is normally how I go. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another great video. Today I am showing you guys how I am improving editing on Fortnite. See, I didn't like that, so I'm gonna delete that. So yeah, so I normally just go back and forth. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am further extending how to edit fast in Fortnite. I'm teaching myself, and today I did a lot better with rush ramps. So it goes a little something like that. So that's it, you guys. That's how I edit my content from my iPad. I do know this app is available in the Apple Store, of course. I'm not sure for Android users. As I always say, become engaged, be engaged, and simply do the right thing. Just do the right thing, and don't forget to wear your mask. Also, if you subscribe, comment down in the comment section and say I subscribed and put a smiley face. Thanks, I'm out. I might not even add that in there. As I always say, well, let me start over. So yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. That is how I record.